One of the first elements to go into this backyard isn't on Paul's plan because it isn't landscaping. This pad is for our Generac whole house standby generator. This 20 kilowatt generator runs on natural gas and is connected to the home's electrical system through an automatic transfer switch. Once the connection of our new electrical service is completed by the utility company, the Generac system will monitor it. And if utility company power is interrupted, the switch will flip over to the generator and simultaneously start the unit. These systems can easily be added to existing houses, but it really makes sense to include one if you're building a new home or doing a major renovation like this one. The folks that end up buying this house will really appreciate the peace of mind that comes along with having a standby generator. Now, this house is in an older neighborhood, which means all of the power is overhead, which makes it a lot more susceptible to wind and limbs blowing down and interrupting the service, but they won't have to worry about it with this. Also, we're in Mobile, Alabama, right on the Gulf Coast where hurricanes are a fact of life, and that can certainly disturb the power coming into a home. So this is a great solution for that.